I would like you to follow my, wife for a few days.
Are there any reasons you would like to give us? You don't have to answer, but often it is enormously helpful in the investigation.
My wife doesn't live with me anymore, but she visits. Or at least, she has been visiting up to now, my son.
Are there any other leads? Family?
Look what you're doing!
Does your wife have a job?
She quit about a year ago.
All right, sir. Now we must get down to practicalities.
It doesn't hurt.
She seems to be alone. Do you want me to check this now?
There's nothing to fear, except God.
What happened?
In God. It's in me.
Look, Mark, that woman is crazy. We have to do something.
Don't you understand? You disgust me. I can't stand you.
You have to get me out of here and send me on a long trip to restore my harmony. I deserve it. If you had only seen what I saw.
Please don't open. Don't open it. Don't open. Don't open it. What is it?